Okay, so now with our coffee filters, we're going to make some snowflakes. What you're going to do first is you're going to hold it flat, and you are going to, I'll do it close, you're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to take it again, and you're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to take it again, you're going to fold it in half. And I think that looks pretty good. Then you're going to take your scissors. If you wanted to, and you felt confident about folding it in half again, you could fold it one more time. Completely up to you. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to start cutting nice big shapes. So this is what I mean by big shape. You can see that a large piece comes out. A tiny shape would be something like this, which could be kind of cool if there's a few of those, but you don't want it all to be like that because it's going to be really hard to see the design later. Okay, I'm going to go like this here. Maybe I'll do something cool on the top on this side. I'm going to come all the way to the middle. Okay, now it's starting to get a little flimsy, so I'm not going to do too much more really big shapes there. Let's see. I'm going to do kind of like a half of a heart on this side. And maybe let's go like that. Let's see what happens. A nice small piece here. Alright, so once you have your pieces cut out, you're going to push those to the side, and then you're going to slowly open up your coffee filter. And you can see that you have a really awesome snowflake design. Isn't that so cool? Okay, so I'll do it one more time for you. Okay, because that might have been a little bit fast with the folding. So let's do this one together. We're going to take our coffee filter. Let me find one. Oh, I like this one here. We're going to take our coffee filter and you're going to fold it in half. So to make sure you know you're folding it in half, even if you twist it, no matter what way, because it's a circle, a perfect circle, it's going to fold nicely. You just want to line it up edge to edge. Once you line it up, if you want to hold your hand, take your finger to the middle and push out to one side, push out to one side. Now when you fold it in half again, this straight line should line up with each other. So I'm not going like this. I'm not going like that. I'm going straight up until I hit the other point, hold it in place, and then I'm going to fold it out this way. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my other one. This time you can either start cutting here, or you can go ahead and fold one more time. This time I'm going to try to fold one more time. So I'm kind of, the point is going to stay where it is, and this straight edge is going to match this straight edge. So I'm going to fold it until those two match. And I'm going to press that down. And so I have a tiny little triangle. So this time I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to do like a triangle in the middle here. Okay. Now, I really like how those hearts came out, so I'm going to do a heart on this side. Okay, so basically what a heart is a half circle, but then you point it at the bottom. If you wanted to do a heart, you do not have to. Okay, I'm going to do another. I notice that it's definitely a lot harder to cut the shapes out when I folded it that one more time. So if you're finding it hard, just open it up again. Not a big deal. Okay. A little bit here. Let's do a tiny bit here too. It's so fun making these snowflakes because you never know what's going to come of it. Okay, push them aside. Now let's see what happens. Opening up. There's one little heart. Definitely, you know what? That is not as heart-shaped as I want it to, so I'm going to fold it one more time and really come up a little bit more. Let's see if I can do that. Okay. So if you know how to do that, you can definitely fold it again. Do whatever works for you, really. Not easy. I won't lie. But I'm really just going slow, making sure I'm not cutting myself. Let's see what that heart looks like now. Much better, right? So now I'm going to open that up. I love the top part. You want to go kind of slow because it's delicate, right? The coffee filter itself is pretty thin. Wow. I wish I did a little bit in the middle, but I'm not upset with it. I think it looks really cool. Look at it on the green paper and then on the white. You know, it'd probably be nice on black paper. But I think on its own, it will look really cool all together. Okay, so you guys are going to go ahead and you're going to start on your coffee filter snowflakes. All these little pieces here. If there's time at the end of the class period and you wanted to kind of open them up and see if you can make like a cool collage with all of these shapes, you know, feel free to do that. I think it's kind of cool to see like what can you actually make with all these leftover pieces. If there's not that much time left, then, you know, go ahead and toss them away. Completely up to you. All right.